welcome back to the channel. So today I started out by trying to show you guys me cutting and shaping my nails. I was going for a shorter length than I normally or would usually go for. I like to do coffin a lot, and so I really take my time trying to shape my nails and get them the perfect shape that I want. But I don't know, short coffin on me just does not look the greatest, to me at least. I just like long coffin better for some reason. I feel like with just me personally, I feel like when I do longer nails doing long coffin, like I get that shape that I want. Don't get me wrong, I mean, I've had medium length coffin and I can normally get the shape that I want as well, but for some reason today I just was not feeling it. I feel like sometimes, because I do both of my hands, I feel like sometimes my sometimes my right hand looks a little worse than my left hand, of course, because I'm not left-handed and I have to use my left hand to do my right hand. But sometimes I just feel like the shape doesn't get right like it should. Like I'm going back and I'm doing the tips. I feel like it's still too wide, even though I am using my right hand to shape my left hand. I wasn't feeling it. I really wasn't. So as you guys can see, I'm showing you the shape. I'm not really feeling it at all. So next clip, I jumped to almond. I really always wanted to try out almond, but my nails naturally curve up instead of curving down or just being straight. So I hated trying like almond and things like that because my nails would stick up, and some, would be normal, and I hated it. So I'm going to go in with the Beetles Bear collection. I did swatch this for you guys the other day, so go check out that video if you have not seen it. I'm going in first with this gold glitter chunky polish. I loved that one. It was really nice. It kind of started to give an ombre effect at first, and then I'm going in with this brown. It wasn't the brown that I love. I went in with A404 when I should have went in with A403. A403 was the brick color that I absolutely fell in love with. And then I'm going in with this caramel color, which is a perfect nude for my skin, I would say. It blends in with my skin perfectly. And then I'm going in with the cream color, which, oh my god, I love this cream color. It complemented my skin well, and I just loved it. Of course, I'm going in with 2 coats on each hand. just to make sure I get the maximum coverage on all of my fingernails. And then I'm curing this for 30 seconds in between each layer. I always cure for 30 seconds. I know it said 90 to 120 seconds on the box when I did the swatch, but I normally go in for 30 seconds because I do use higher wattage UV lamps. So 30 seconds. I think I just said 60. 30 seconds is my in-between coats, and then I do the top coat for 60 seconds. And I never have any problems with my fingernail polish chipping or any polish trying to come off early. It stays on, and I don't have any of the problems with it curing either. You know how sometimes when you don't cure it enough, or you miss a spot and you try to do another coat of polish over a wet spot, you get that like crinkled up part. Yeah, I don't get that. So now I'm going in and I'm going to do a marble. I love doing marble this way. I do have a video as well that I can link below on this marble technique, but I mean, you're going to see it in the video, but I do have a video that just details how I do this marble. I probably really could have left my nail this color because, like, oh my god, I love this color, y'all. But what I do is I go in with a lighter color and I layer it. It doesn't have to be a lighter color. It can be whatever color you want, but I like the cream color. And then I go in with the other colors that I'm going to use. So I use the caramel color and the brown color nude that I used on my ring finger, not my ring finger, my pointer finger and my thumb to do this marble. And I just kind of continue to do it until I get the effect that I like. Sometimes I will more than likely go heavier on the darker color just because I just like how it looks. So yeah, guys, enjoy watching me complete my other hand. So now I'm finishing up the top coat and curing for 60 seconds. I'm making sure that the top coat hit everything. I think I thought I dinged it, and I think I thought that I didn't get enough top coat on, but I'm just going through and making sure that I did get all of the top coat on my nails. And then I did get out of frame, but I am correcting one shape of a nail because the gel polish just made the shape not right, like gel polish does. We all know that gel polish does that. But yeah, guys, I absolutely loved this set. I'm going in with my cuticle oil in Mermaid, and I am putting some of that on my cuticles because, girl, after you do all this to your nails, sometimes your cuticles is just dry from all the alcohol, the acetone, and we need to moisturize them. Put moisture back into them, okay? So I'm going in and moisturizing my cuticles, and yeah, giving them some much needed moisture. But guys, next you're gonna see the final look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see next. I did get out of my comfort zone and out of my box and do a different shape than I normally would. So that is a big plus. But yeah, just let me know what you guys want to see. Make sure you follow me on all my social medias that you will see at the end. And yeah, I love you guys, and I thank you for watching. Have a great day.